Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. In my last video I promised I would do some more pastel nails, so I thought I would definitely do that for you. So to start off, I'm going to apply one coat of white polish, and then we'll go in with some pink, some teal and some purple pastels, and I'm going to throw a bit of magpie glitter on top. This time we're going to use this lovely chunky, I will be able to speak today, I promise, Tara magpie glitter. As usual, I love my magpies, but just look at the hollowness on that. So I'm just going to put some of that on top. I'm actually just going to very minimal, I'm not covering the whole nail with it, and then we'll go in and we'll do some more Easter stamping. I may even use that Nicole diary stamping plate again because I thought it was fabulous. So let's just jump to it. One coat of white polish will be plenty enough. I know it's not totally opaque, but it's just to mute out that cover pink gel that I have on my fingers. So I will fly ahead and I will put this on all 10 nails, and then we'll get into doing that lovely pastel ombre. And as we all know how messy I am, it is just paramount that I put some liquid latex on before I go in with my pastel ombre. So I haven't cleaned up, I have just removed the liquid latex. So I'm just going to decant some of that Tara into my triangle tray. And as you can see, there's some tiny pieces, but there's some nice big pieces there as well. So I will apply some clear polish onto my nail, and as that is, when that is still wet, I will just use the fluffy brush just to pick it up and put it on. This is the look I am going for, nice and sporadical. I just love when you do a sponge ombre or gradient, and once you apply that top coat, it just brings it all together, smooths it out and ties it as one. So there we have it. I am just going to top coat them before we go on to any art. So here we go, we are all top coated and done, and I really like how they turned out. They're so pretty. So let's get into some lovely Easter stamping on these nails and see how it turns out. I'm not going to overload the whole 10 fingers with some stamping. I'm just going to do it on a couple of fingers because I just want that ombre gradient and glitter to be the highlight of these nails this time around. So let's jump in. So our stamping plates we're going to use, I'm going to use this old plate I have from, I actually got it off AliExpress, and it has a little Easter egg here on it, and I think that's super cute. So if I can find it, I will try my best and I will link it below, but I'm not sure if I will be able to find that. And we are also going to go in again with this Nicole Diary one, and I'm in two minds whether I'm going to do this little character here or the lovely cute rabbit here. So I will decide that now, and we'll do our stamping. I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in black, and I'll probably colour in using probably Makeup Gallery then. So I've gone in and I've applied liquid latex on 2 fingers. I'm going to do the large egg here, and this pattern here is like a decorated Easter egg. So I'm going to do that one on that finger, and then I'll do that cute little bunny holding the carrot on that one. And that's all I'm going to do. It'd be nice and quick and simple. Now that didn't work out great, so I am just going to clean that up and go again. Now this is a very cheap plate, so, and I've never used that image before, so if it doesn't work I might just go in with eggs again. Yeah, that seemed to pick up fine that time around, thank God. So it's not coming off the stamper. I've waited a little bit too long, and that's no problem because not everything works out perfect. So if I apply a quick dry top coat, allow it to go tacky in the areas that I want it to remove off the stamper head, and then we will be able to put it on, and it's quite simply fixed. So we just let that dry. Just moving on to that Nicole Diary stamping plate, and of course I will link all the plates below. So I'm just going to colour in the image using regular polishes. So I will do his tongue and his boots in pink. Obviously the carrot will be orange and green, and the bunny itself will be white. So I have just repeated that little bunny on a second stamper just to do on the other hand. So when you turn them over, you can see that they are all pretty and coloured in, and it is hard to focus with my camera. Come on. There we go. So we would just apply them to the big finger. Now, isn't that cute, guys? I'll do the same on the other hand. So, and that is the final nails, and I really think they're quite cute. Now I have top coated them and I slightly smudged that one, unfortunately, but that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So I will top coat the big finger and then we are done, and I will just put a final picture at the end. So here are the final nails, all top coated and cleaned up, and I really like them. If you like them, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow it. It doesn't seem to be budging at all at the moment. I hope you are getting to see the videos as well, so click that bell. I think I would like to do one more Easter nail before Easter, and I think we'll have to do some neons. Now, I do really like that image that's on the Nicole diary stamping plate, the one where the little bunnies are going across that washing line. So if you want to see me do this image here on my nails with some neon, and I might maybe do some sporadical glitter like I have done today. So if you want to see them, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.